Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, what a start to the Monday. I was in a short and I lost it, unfortunately. It is what it is. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the stream, everyone. Welcome to the stream, everyone. How you guys are doing on this beautiful morning? Hope everybody is feeling awesome. Let's see, what do I have here? Yeah, okay. So we're heading higher, it seems like it. Oh my god, the 300 level. So this is the June contract, and this is the March contract. Still, we are in a little bit of a pickle here. Which contract should provide the better setups, by the way? New week, new yeah. So I checked on the CME Group website, and it seems like that the March contract, the March contract has still more total volume, as you can see. It's shifting, so as you can see, it's pretty much shifting to the June contract, but the Friday data shows that the March contract had still more volume, so maybe we should just stick with the March contract for now. So let me update my charts a little bit. I was in a short position, in a tiny short position, but I lost it. I really thought that we're just gonna dump down. Yeah, it could happen. Yeah, Joey. That could be a possible scenario. Let me delete this because it's disturbing me right now. Yeah, they can do that. So I'm just saying that I think the March contract is still in play today. The volume is still higher on that one. And let me update this one. The midnight opening price should be right there. There you go. Previous day high, previous day low. Where was it? We don't need these levels. Let's do some quick update on this chart. And this one too. And we should be fine. And by the way, welcome everyone on the stream. Let me give you guys a huge applause for joining. Let me update. We had a low that has been taken on the March contract. Which is actually from Sunday. This was a Sunday low, previous day low. I'm gonna put it here. It's heading higher. The next buy side is 55. Yeah, it can go absolutely to 55. What do you guys think? We have a Friday high right there. Let me go back to the 1 minute. Buy side is from Sunday. We have a Sunday high right here at 18,055. Yeah, we have a double bottom, and double bottoms are always targets. You know, if you look at the June contract, the double bottom is actually almost like a relative equal high. On the June contract, it did not make a new low, so that makes me wonder what could be the plan here. Buy side to 55 is not too far away. It's actually just a Sunday high, so they might want to take that out. They might want to take that out. There is a bearish order block, so don't forget, guys, there was a daylight saving shift, so London is still a little bit away. Good morning, Serdar. Hey there. Welcome. Some good coffee. By the way, the BULENOX codes are still working. I don't know how. Checked it yesterday on Sunday. They are still valid. I don't know how the heck, but they are working. What else? Do they want to take out Sunday high? What do you guys think? Do they really want to take it out? Not really sure. I don't know what they want to do here. Seems a little fishy of what's going on here. We have this bearish order block here at 54 that has been mitigated by this high on Sunday. So what if they just want to push it higher than the Sunday high? Any thoughts about that one? Because if they do want to push it higher, I'm just wondering how high can they go, right? I don't know. I'm really wondering. There's no setup entry here. None of these time frames are good for this setup, but I think they want to push it higher than the Sunday high, right? It's like 10 points away. It's really easy. We go, now it's repricing. Look at that. Liquidity void on the March contract, but there's no liquidity void on the June contract. What do you guys think? Real crazy, right? What is the rule when there is a contract rollover? I just wonder. But I think they will push it higher. It's only 10 points, so, you know. They should be pushing it. Do we have any news? Nothing really, right? No news, nothing special. The only thing they can do is they can go for the 55-ish level, maybe. I'm not sure. Nobody knows that. No reprice. So Sunday high is still in play. Otherwise, I think ES still wants to go bullish. And basically that's it. Not much else. Not much else is happening. Yeah, it has everything to do with the volume. Yeah. So if they leave Sunday high like this, actually here on the March contract, I'm looking at this on the March contract. We should be seeing a bearish market structure. Let me delete this. We should be seeing a bearish market structure shift, maybe. Don't know. But, you know, it's pretty close. So I don't know. I don't know what they want here at these levels. Small liquidity void to be repriced. So gotta have to wait. It's not that far, but still. London is still a little bit away. We have this, yeah, same liquidity void down there. Let's see if we form a structure here. Let me check it. It's weird. It's definitely weird. Weird what's going on here. Maybe they will dump it. But we still need a shift. This was an interesting little pump in volume after 3 a.m. So, gotta wait and see what they want. How was your weekend, guys? Everybody had a great time. Everybody's well rested. I hope you are well. Excuse me. Do they want to take out Sunday high? I wonder. All right. We're just gonna have to wait and see what they want to do. Do they want to do some liquidity sweep up there, or do they want to shift structure? Now they can do it actually. So if they shift here, I would still be cautious of what to do before taking out the Sunday high. Oh, thank you for the sub, Charles Martin. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Huge applause for new subscribers. Thank you for joining. So maybe they want to shift it, which would be interesting. But you know, we have relative equal lows down there, so good targets potentially. I can imagine it happening. Why not? All right. All right. All right. Let's wait for the market structure shift. Seems like it's gonna happen. Or it can happen. If we make a displacement, we can do that. Question is it gonna happen before the London Open or not? This was a strong push. It can still squeeze it up to the Sunday high. So I'm just curious what they really want with it. Do they want to sweep the Sunday high here? Sebastian, hey there, good morning. They might dump it. Yeah. If we see a market structure shift, we have relative equal lows down there, good targets. That would be a good entry, potential entry. So, yeah. Anything is possible. Question is, do they need one more squeeze or do they just dump it? That's the big question. Nobody knows that. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it. Ooh. Nobody knows it. Alright, this is not a talent show. We're just waiting. I already had a small loss. I'm going to show you guys what I was thinking when I entered to a short. We had the market structure shift. And I thought we are going to aim for the relative equal lows. Let me show you. This was my thought process here. Fair value gap here. And then we had another one here. So 2. And so I went short on the second one. So my entry was absolutely late, but I had this stop loss here. And I was aiming for these lows down there. But I would be perfectly fine down there. So then they decided to squeeze it higher. So I already have a loss this morning, guys. It was previously on the, off stream. But yeah, that's it. I thought that, they swept these swing highs and they just want to dump it one more time. But they're squeezing it higher. So I'm already in a loss, everyone. Nobody knows it. Not a big deal, but it is what it is. I was risking about $60 or $70 on that trade per account. So not a huge loss, but still, it's a little bit of a pickle, which I don't like. I also think so. Bring it higher to possibly dump it later. Gaurav, hey there. Hello there, Gaurav. Huge applause to you, my friend, and everyone. So we have that buy side on the Sunday high, but seems to me now, look at this, they're just shifting. And by the way, let me know what you guys are trading on. Are you guys trading on the June contract or still on the March contract? If you look at the CME Group website, the Friday's report says that on Friday the total volume is still way higher on Friday than on the March contract than on the June contract. Now, I'm pretty sure that today this is going to shift a lot, but I'm wondering, which contract are you guys trading on? And what do you guys think? All right, we have a displacement here. Could be interesting for a short to target the relative equal lows down there. Let me show you here and here. Looks better on the June contract, by the way. Just saying. The June contract did not take out this low, so on the June contract it looks even better. Nevertheless, my quant tower has been set still on the March contract, so anyway, I'm looking for this. Oh man, well, maybe. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that small little dump there. The high of this candle is at 33.50. Should I put a limit order there? The 3.50. I put a sell limit there. Highly unlikely. Oh, look at this dump. Highly unlikely that it's gonna go higher. P trading, good morning, good morning. I recommend June contract, Nicholas says. The volume is more on it now. Well, the report on Friday was much higher on the March contract. So do you think that the June contract shifted for now on Monday? Trading in June. All right. If you're looking at the June contract, it looks even better for the lows. Look at these lows. It didn't take out this after the midnight open. So definitely looks juicy. Let me check on Quantower, the June contract chart. NQ. CME futures. That's H4. No. Okay, yeah, we have the rollover here. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, okay. So we can do that. We can do, actually, I'm going to delete that for now. I'm looking at the June contract for possible shorts to take out these relative equal lows. We do have some nice targets up there. Quantity should be fine. The high of this candle is at 277.75. 277.75. I'm not sure if it wants to go back there. 70. So it's dumping like crazy. So no Sunday high is in the targets right now. Four-hour bearish gap. All right. I use bar chart and it's telling me, oh, okay, okay. Okay, then definitely, you know, I mean, I know bar, yeah, but June contract should be better. I mean, I was also thinking that they should be doing that. Let me do a quick phone call. All right, just a quick phone call. So they could be dumping it. This was nice here, but if not, we still have this buy side here at 301. So we have the juicy 300 level up there, and we have relative equal lows down there. Sitting on a VWAP. Yeah, actually, I just called the CME group to do something. No trade. I mean, no trade, guys. I'm still watching if we're gonna have any sort of entry. I have a small loss earlier before the stream. I had a small loss. I tried to go short right in this area. I think it was right around the 66 or 65. I was trying to go short. Sorry, on the March contract around there. So I tried to go short there, took me out. So now I'm just wondering, you know, the big question, where is the draw on liquidity? That's what everyone is asking right now. Where is the draw on liquidity? It feels like relative equal lows are in play after this move. We had a small fair value gap here. If this one is continuing to the downside, you know, small fair value gap here. $64.25. Let me measure. First entry here anyway. Let me see where they can dump this if they want to go lower. Where they want to put this if they want to go lower. I'm in the trade, guys, by the way. I entered at 64.25. Very bad entry. But I'm going to use a wider stop in case they want to push it higher. Very small position. Very small position. 81.50. I'm looking for possible targets on the downside. So I'm in trade, but it's not looking good. I wanted to chase it in case they just want to dump this one to relative equal lows. I'm offside here, definitely. Oh man, but it's just a small position, but still. I don't like how the Monday is starting out for me right now. Let me see. So one low here, second low here. Relative equal lows. If you look at the 5-minute, damn it, it's not looking good for me right now. If you look at the 5-minute, I do love these targets down there. It's taking me out, guys. My stop loss is 81.50. It's gonna take me out. It's gonna take me out. Yeah, it's going against me. Super fantastic. Oh man. And we have a displacement anyway. So my entry is 64. What's my entry? 64.25. So bad. This is very bad for me. Very bad entry. You're good. Good morning. Yeah, the BTC pump was really crazy. All right. I think I'm almost out from this position. 81.50 is my stop loss, by the way. Right there. Almost out. What a bad entry, guys. Oh, I messed it up. There, I'm out. I'm officially out from the position. 2 stop losses in a row this morning, guys. 2 stop losses in a row, which is not good for me. What a start of the week. So they do want to push it higher to Sunday high. What the hell do they want? I wonder. What could they want here? They want to push it higher? I don't know. What's the low of this candle? The low of this candle is 74. $74. Interesting. It's interesting. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping it small. I was risking $60 per trade. I wanted to scale it up to $100 and $120, but I split it half. So I was risking only $60 on per trade on those two ones. So I'm down about 120 something dollars with commissions on that one. So yeah, let's see. Do they want to the 301 level? Let me check it. 301. What is up there? 301.50. No. 301.50. Not sure. So this one would be also an ideal entry to target the Sunday high based on my trend following entry model, which is telling me that this one was a possible long entry. So let me look at it again. Good morning, FX and Trophy. Hey there. Let me see. All right, I entered into a long position. I'm in a long position, guys. Also small. Stop loss is 260.75. I'm just being aggressive because I split my previous two positions into two. So that way I could see some more opportunities. I'm targeting the Sunday high right up there. If they're going to keep dumping it, which I see they do, I'm definitely going to wait on the sidelines for a little bit. Let's see what they want here. My entry is 274. Yeah, 61.75 is my stop loss, and my take profit is 301.50 there. So this is exactly my trade. But now I'm copy trading with more accounts. Let's see. I have a different price. Yeah, it's because this is the June contract and you are on the March contract, I think. Oh man, look at that. Seems like volume could be shifting from the March contract to the June contract. So that's why it is. That's why it is. Yeah. Friday was a big move. Maybe today nothing happened. Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna take me out, man. It's super crazy. But you know, if they are shifting again to the downside here, then the only logical target would be the equal lows. I think so. But not sure. Not sure, guys. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot. There's still a giveaway going on. Let me open the chat window here and pin the message. I know I have it somewhere here. I'm gonna pin that message for you guys. Let me go to my YouTube studio and find that video. Copy link. All right. Yeah, definitely. It's still Monday, so maybe we should just wait more. And if this one is not working out, then it's better to leave it. It's better to fight another day, as they say it. So giveaway. This is it. Pin message. All right. Message pinned. I think. Yeah. All right. My Funded Futures giveaway is still happening until Thursday. Details in the description, but it's very simple. Make sure to subscribe, fill out the Google form, and that's it. Have a My Funded Futures account, and that's all. You don't have to purchase anything, and there will be a pick, and we will announce it on X or Twitter, and My Funded Futures is going to email you the activation code or coupon code, which gives you a free starter account, guys. 50K. Just saying. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. So let's see, are we gonna go for that level or not? I'm going to fire up my MetaTrader too, because I forgot to do that this morning. What do they want? Do they want Sunday high, or do they want to dump it completely? I don't like this price action. It was looking good. Oh, there you go. It's going down. It's going down. So it seems like they do want to dump it. They do want to dump it. I just don't understand this. I don't know what they want anymore. Yeah, I'm almost out again. Not good. In this case, we have to wait for a clean displacement, even if they want to really dump it down to those equal lows down there. 5-minute charts, let's check it. Yeah, they look good. They look good. Nicholas, hey there. Just chill now and wait, because this price, yeah, this price is very weird. So we're gonna definitely chill out and wait for some more opportunities after this one. I was being a little bit aggressive because I was splitting down my risk, but on this week I wanted to push the momentum a little bit, because until last week I was risking about $50 per trade, $60, And from this week, I want to risk about $120 per trade. And so I think I made a good decision this morning before the stream, that because it's Monday and everything, I was still holding on to 50-ish, 60-ish dollar per trade, and I already lost 2. So that would be like 1 trade. And this is also not a full position for me. But after this one, I really have to be careful for the day what I do. I really have to be careful. I don't want to burn everything here. I'm going to leave some good entries for the rest of the day. All right. Yeah, not worth gambling. Definitely, Nicholas. I agree. By the way, guys, please push to like, subscribe to the channel. Let's push the stream a little bit. And check out the giveaway. It's very simple. My Fund is Future starter account. And as far as I checked, the BULENOX code is still valid. So it's real crazy. They're still doing the 90% sale, which is the cheapest upfront cost for an evaluation account. You can check it out too. That's why I left it on the screen. It's really cheap. It's really cheap. I don't know how long they leave it. This is the longest time they left 90% sale on. So today at this moment is the cheapest upfront cost. All right. Let's see what they want here. So if they do that, then they should be looking for some sell side, right? So we have to, well, I'm gonna have to search for some nice shorts if they give us some nice shorts. We don't have any news this morning in London, and the market is about to open in 16 minutes or so. Yeah, about 16 minutes. So let's see. Yeah, they're going to dump it. Yeah, it's not gonna survive this one. All right, taking my TP down is gonna make me a stop loss here real soon. I'm still in, but on the micros, I'm with micros. I'm still in, but just a second and I'll be out. If you can find an excuse to not take a trade on Monday, then use that excuse. Well, I should. I think I should. I think I should do that. Yeah. Looks like a massacre almost. It's not going to be able to hold. We have the swing low at 252. It's pretty juicy. Don't like how it behaves at that area. Just gonna spike down. And that's gonna be it. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. They can also, you know, sweep this area down there and then still push it. The London Open can still push it to buy side. But Hey, where can I see March June contract? My price is also different. Well, you should find it under it's a different contract name. It's called futures NQ. So it should be NQM 2024. NQM 224. So you should add this one. Whatever platform are you on, you should be searching for NQM 2024. If you're on the March contract, it is NQH 2024. So that's the difference. The CME group reported for Friday that on Friday the volume was still much higher on the March contract, but it's shifting to the June. I'm not sure that there's more volume on the on the June contract now. Okay, I'm out from the trade. I got stopped out, officially stopped out from the trade. Officially stopped out from this one. That brings me 3 stop losses in a row, but with small positions. So I'm down $200 per account. Let me check it again, because commissions and everything. Yeah, I'm a little bit more than $200 down, so I might have to stop trading for the day. Yeah, too much losses this morning. I can't continue like this. This is too much loss. Yeah, I don't want to burn everything here. Yeah, too much losses. Too much losses. Too much losses. So let me see once more. And look at that. Took me out and then boom. This is crazy, man. Look at this. Isn't that frustrating or something? It just has to be. Takes me out, makes a new shift, and boom, goes up. That is really, 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 really crazy. Really crazy price action here. Repricing immediately. Okay. So, but still, what a price action, man. It's going up. London Open is quite close. It's really, really, really close. What do we have here? It is ranging and it's not moving. No trades. Yeah. That's the same like last Monday, but you know, the Sunday high is still not too far up there. Very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. And it seems like they still want to push this one to buy side at 301. Quite interesting, to be honest. London Open may take out the Sunday highs, just saying. Which is the 301 level. Let me check it. 301. Yeah, it's 301. Look at this, man. How crazy. Crazy moves here, guys. The 0175 is the high, right? Do you guys want to scalp it? Because you still can. BTC is up 2.5k in more than an hour. Oh yeah, they're pumping it. They are really pumping it. Look at this. Do they want to take out Sunday high here? What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts here, because we're really close to that level. I'm interested to do a scalp, but look at this Sunday high here. What a level here. Feels like they want to go for it, right? Those Sunday levels. Do they really want to do that? I'm wondering. London is opening in 6 minutes. Are they going to do a liquidity sweep or something here? It's just frustrating, you know, because you know, my analysis was technically correct, and yet it took me out, and I have no re-entry. So how do you deal with that emotionally? Because for me, it's super hard. Oh man. And on the day where I wanted to raise the risk per trade, it's really a bummer. But I guess it can happen to anyone, right? So if this one would go down to, let me check it again, to reprice this range here, I would be interested to put in a position. Let me measure it. Stop loss would have to be down there. And the 1 to 2 risk to reward, what would that give me? I would have to go with, I would only risk like $70 on this. So that would be 2 micros-ish. We have some highs there. 2 micros. The low of this candle would be 280. 280. Yeah. All right. I took one more entry here, guys. One more entry here. At 280.25. 280.25. All right. Take my advice. Yeah. If I had open position on NQ, what happened from price difference? You should be still on the same contract. So if you, I mean, with price difference, well, 2 options. If you don't have enough margin, the broker would, you know, just you know, delete your position. If you're in a loss. If you're in a win, then of course, but if, I mean, there's no such thing like you're on the March contract and you're rolling to the June contract with a bigger price difference, and then you're in profit. So you're still on the same contract. But if you would be stuck after the market close, if you're not on a prop firm, because most of these prop firms are closing down your position after 4 p.m. So if you're on your personal account and you leave the position overnight, you should be okay if you're having a normal risk size. And that's it. Nothing would happen. But prop firms are closing down your position after 4 p.m. or maybe 4:10 or 4. Some of them closing it at 4 p.m. 4:02 or 4:10. So yeah, then it's a different scenario. London is opening soon in 20 seconds. 15 seconds. All right, London is open. Let's see what they want to do here. But I don't know. Volume can be still low. Might want to dump it. If they do, and we're shifting completely to the downside, then the sell side relative equal lows could be in play again. So watch out for that. I'm already in a buy with a small position, but I'm considering to close it manually, depending how the London Open is going to react. My analysis was to take out the Sunday highs, which is not happening at this moment. I was really hoping that we will take it out at 301. Let me measure it at 301. 301. Yeah, so the 301 level I was looking at, and I don't know. Okay, F it. I closed it. I can't hold it, guys. I just can't. I can't hold it. I got cold feet. I closed my position with a small scalp here. I'm unable to. I'm confused emotionally, guys. I really am, and I'm just being real clean and honest with you guys. I couldn't hold this trade. I was watching Quant Tower, which has a little bit better price action printing like TradingView. You guys are seeing TradingView. I'm watching Quant Tower candles, how they are moving, how they are resonating. You know, I just didn't like, and I already had some losses this morning. And look at this. Oh my God. For now, at this second, I think I made a good decision. I overtraded this morning. That's the problem. So I made a not just a clerical error. It was not a clerical error. I made a mistake. I was overtrading, guys. I had 3 stop losses in a row this morning. 3 stop losses in a row. And so I closed it here. I'm out. I have no positions. Made a little bit of a scalp, but it was micros, so I'm still in the drawdown. I'm still in negative. I can't do it. I just can't. I can't. My broker deposit and some money on my balance. Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, Ulzi, if I couldn't really explain it, but yeah, if that's your personal account and not a prop firm, then you should be fine. And maybe there's gonna be a little bit of a rollover fee, like swap, you know, and they can charge you for that, but you should be okay. There's gonna be like a small time frame, a small window. Depends on the broker. I'm not an expert at these futures brokerages. Then there might be closing down the electronic trading for an hour maybe, or something like that. So that's a little bit risky there. Oh my God. I'm so lucky I closed that trade down. I would be in drawdown again. You see, guys, I just don't feel it this morning. I don't feel it this morning. So this trade again has been closed down with a tiny small profit. Manually closed it down. I can show you a statement here in case you guys won't believe what's happening. Oh, what the hell? Look at this is gonna be relative equal low, guys. Looking for relative equal lows, it seems like it dumped like 55. Oh yeah, this is this area. Previous day low, which is the Friday low. Sunday low, actually, sorry. Sunday lows. Could be. This is a clean market structure shift, everyone. No stop here. It's just gonna go down and take out Sunday low. Wow. I closed my buy in a small profit up here. I'm not in a buy anymore. Actually, I'm gonna put this here. I'm not in a buy anymore. I closed manual with a small profit, and it started to dump. I was very lucky, very lucky. But I had 3 stop losses this morning. 3 stop losses, guys. Not happy at all. This one created a bearish order block. The target is 221.75. If this one starts to dump here, 1 to 2 risk to reward would dictate that. Yeah, you guys can go short if you want to on this level, but be extremely careful. Extremely careful, guys. This is technically a short opportunity. Okay, I jumped into a short. One micro, guys, only one micro. I jumped into a short with only one single micro. My entry is 52.75. This is my entry. I'm still measuring my stop loss. Damn it, look at that. I have no stop loss on yet. I'm down $30 per account, so I'm still measuring where this one should go. I don't even know. The sell side should be 222.75. 22 point. I'm gonna put it 23. Not a good risk to reward. I'm only in with one single micro, guys. One single micro. If you guys are curious, I can show you that I'm in with one single micro. There you go. Now you guys can see it. One micro on the June contract. Okay. So it should be going down to take out sell side. Thank you for the sub. Who subscribed? Monitech, hey there, welcome. Thank you for the subscription, and huge applause for subscribing, and everyone, huge applause. So I'm only in with one single micro, guys, nothing special. That's it. I'm even thinking to put this to break even because it's a little bit risky trade. Okay. What a morning, guys. Oh, look at that. We might dump here a little bit, which I would like to see. I'm putting it to break even. 52.50 is my break even. All right, I put it to break even, I think. Modify 52.50 is my stop level. I'm at break even, guys. I usually not putting it to break even, but this is just not my entry model, which I like. And if it's not dumping through this equal lows, I'm willing to, you know what, F it. I closed it manually. I don't care. I was lucky this morning. I closed it manually. I'm out from the trade. Closed it manually. Did not wait for retracement. Guys, I hate this morning. No, I love this morning. No hate, no bad vibes. Only love and good vibes. Nothing bad. So just in case anybody is wondering how I'm doing with the accounts this morning, which I'm sharing, I'm gonna walk you guys through on what's happening on the accounts. I had 3 stop losses this morning. On this account, I'm up. How much is this? 50 cents. On this account, I have 50 cents. Is 50 cents, I guess. On the other BULENOX account, I am up $8. On the other one, I'm down $2. And the my funded futures account is down $5 ish, $4, something like that. First Apex account is down $3, Second Apex account is down. Oh, it's actually up. What the hell? I'm up. Wow, $13. I'm up $13. So, yeah. That's it. But I had 3 stop losses this morning. So I'm technically around break even. I'm technically around break even. And that's it. Do I have some working orders? No, I don't. What a morning. Crazy price action, guys. Super crazy price action. I was aggressive, very, very aggressive on these. Short, then long, and then long again. Closed at small profit. Short again with 1 micro. Look at that. Now it's taking out the 2022 level. 2022, come on. 222. There you go. So relative equal lows have been swept here. Interesting, to say the least. Relative equal lows have been swept. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. And today the BULENOX still has the momentum going on. I don't know how, but they still have the 90% sale going on. So check them out. All right, so we swept the lows. The question is, are we going to go for the Sunday high? Sunday low has been swept. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Sell side liquidity on the June contract is at 18,166. I do love these levels down here at 18,000. What's the low of this? 18,076.75. I do like that. I'm gonna put a marker there. Almost again relative equal lows, so this one can still dump like 150 points easy. Next sell side, by the way, is at 166. Relative equal lows taken here. And it's going deeper and deeper. The 166 level, well, the problem is now we would if it would like to go down, I would like to see a retracement, not to this gap. If you guys are aggressive, you can go short here. There you go. It's already left the station. $1,720. 900. Let's check it out, Joey. Let's check it out. 900 and look at this. It's gonna go to 166. Next sell sign 920. What is there? What is it? 900. Is that a 4-hour level? Oh yeah, I see. Kind of a 4-hour level there. Almost 920 low. Yeah. The low of this candle is 926.26. 25. 926.25. 926.25. I'm just gonna mark it here. Mark it here. What else? We could go through the 200 level super easy right here. Look at this. Still dumping. Yes, I have a journal, by the way. I can show you my journal. I'm not going to show you all my accounts, but I can show you how I'm journaling. I'm using Notion as my journal. So, for example, here, this was February. I do have one group of trades. I do measure the completion. My target is $6,600 on all of these accounts. BULENOX account, my funded futures account, Apex, 2 Apex account, and 2 more BULENOX accounts. These are my current balances, but you know, these are evaluation accounts. I'm sharing this with you guys because this is only one group. I'm not sharing my funded accounts yet, but I mean, not here. But so the way I journal, for example, I have a positive day. So I put in what I did. I put in my thoughts, you know. Today was quite roller coaster. Took 7 trades overall. I had aimed for seize every opportunity, but I soon realized that if the entry criteria, blah, 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 blah. So I copy in my trades. I got saved with a beautiful Russell. So I do copy the trades, which I like here, and that's how I journal the trades. What else do I have? Sometimes I'm not copying anything. So the day began with another loss. However, I consistently reminded myself to trust my system and edge. So this is how I journal. This is how I journal. And yeah, I do journal. Madi, it's you know what I'm gonna do? You can download Notion, and since I'm watching the markets right now, what I can do, Madi, is that I'm gonna upload my template to YouTube, maybe to the community tab or somewhere, and I'm from Europe, Hungary, Budapest, you know. I'm not in Budapest, but you know, capital is Budapest. And that's where I'm from, Hungary. I'm not hungry right now, but I am from Hungary. That's a bad joke, I know. But yeah, so I'm from Middle Europe. But what I can do is I can upload my Notion template later to the community tab. And if you guys download Notion, it's a free platform. Free software, and you can apply the template, and you can do almost just the same like I do, and it's real simple. I have more than one groups. You look hungry, right? I do. I always want to eat. I'm a hungry Hungarian. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, no problem, Adijak. Just give me some time during the day, and I make a community post and with a link. And all you guys have to do, if you like Notion, is just download Notion from their website. It's free, and you can apply the template. I don't know how to extract the template and put it on, but I will find it out. I've never done that before because I also found this one somewhere on the internet, but I'm gonna try to share it there. I think there's a share option somehow to share the template. But Notion is good because not just because it's free, it's very simple. You can do a lot of stuff. You can insert a lot of graphics, text, links, everything. So it's very simple to use. Okay, now we're retracing back up there. Made the market structure shift, definitely. Let's look at the 5-minute too. This is definitely a market structure shift on the 5-minute. If you guys are on the 5-minute, that would be right now an area to go short and target the 166 sell side. I am a little bit scared, so I'm gonna wait since my model is on the 1-minute. But if you guys have the balls, you can go short here. if you think that we're gonna dump lower. We do have some nice targets down there. I don't know. If it's not gonna take out the 166 level, then we should be aiming for the Sunday high. So let's not forget that we have a buy side liquidity at the Sunday open. And you know, this one could have been just a manipulation phase, and it can easily be, like, as I said, a manipulation and just, you know, pump it all the way up to the 301s. I am not jumping into a short because my entry model is not based on the 5-minute. But if you guys want to risk it to go to 166, just go for it. Wait 9 minutes. I am definitely waiting. I'm not jumping into anywhere. I'm actually a little bit grateful, not even a bit, quite a lot grateful that I managed to dig myself out of the hole from this morning. Well, I'm trading as full-time since about a year. Yeah, about a year in full-time. But I'm trading like seriously, I would say. So since I'm taking this super seriously and slow and the way that I should have been taking it years back then, I'm taking this seriously since the end of 2021. So since 2022, I should say, the early 2022, I'm taking this super seriously. The turning point for me was last year, about and around summertime. That was the turning point. There's a video I uploaded that I took money out from TOPSTEP. I still have 2 funded accounts with TOPSTEP, and that's all I have right now. So I'm not a Lambo trader, but I would consider myself at this point at a break-even level, maybe. So I have a little bit of a side business, but that's it. I'm trying to focus being here as my main job. YouTube gives me a small revenue. The affiliate coupons give me a small revenue. So that's also good. And that's it. I trade for a living. Yeah. But I would say that without the revenue that comes in from affiliate programs, I mean, I can still do that because, as I said, I have a small side business, IRL. I'm working together with my previous company. I have a colleague. I'm working with him in a partially just a small income in a insurance company, but that only gives me enough money to help out with the bills. So I'm dedicated myself to work full-time here, to trade for a living. My goal is to have at least 3 or 4 accounts at any given time on a funded level that would be able to get me withdrawals on a monthly basis at least once. So I'm not aiming for withdrawals every week, but 1 account once at least every month. That is a goal. So I have 2 groups that I'm copy trading. One group I'm sharing with you guys here on YouTube. The other group is absolutely for private reasons. I do have a few evaluation accounts there as well, including my funded account. But the goal is to build up multiple accounts with multiple prop firms. That's it. So I'm using BULENOX. I like BULENOX. It's a smaller company, but I like them. I have Apex accounts. I have my funded futures. What else do I have? Apex, my funded futures, BULENOX. I have TOPSTEP. I have a 150K combine that I'm trying to push through. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. So just trying to be transparent. And that's it. And if anybody of you guys would like to help me out, then you guys can use my codes, affiliate links. That gives you a few dollars to the tip jar and helps me out. That was the commercial. And by the way, check out the giveaway, because one My Funded Future account is going to be given away on Thursday after market hours. It might be happening on Friday morning, depends on when My Funded Futures is going to pick the winner. But check out the giveaway video. It's like 2 minutes video. You need to subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's a form you have to fill out, and if you don't have an account at My Funded Futures, you can use my link to open an account. You don't have to purchase anything, just open an account, and if you win, the code is going to be issued to your email from My Funded Futures, and you can start with a 50k evaluation account. But check out the video. And there's going to be one more giveaway, but I'm not going to talk about it today. It's going to be maybe tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe. And shout out again to My Funded Futures. They are sponsoring the giveaway for this week giveaway. The sponsor is My Funded Futures with the starter account. By the way, the true cost of funding is still the best at My Funded Futures. Check out my video about that. But I do like these firms. I think these are good. I'm looking forward to work with Elite Trader funding as well, and with Take Profit Trader too. So there's more to come, because things are shifting in the prop firm space, guys. And you know, prop firms come and go, all of them. So if you are planning to trade with prop firms, one of the advice what I would give you is have multiple accounts with multiple prop firms, or at least one account with each of every prop firm, at least 4 prop firms, 4 different prop firms, if you can afford it. If not, go with the bigger ones, of course, but try to have at least 2 or 3 different evaluation accounts with different prop firms. And again, BULENOX today has the best sale going on. You can get a 50k account for $17.50, which is a no-brainer. All right, so this one is going back up. Now I feel like that the 267 is in the crosshairs. They might want to take out this kind of like an order block. Let's check the 3-minute. It's not an order block, all right. I feel like they want to push it higher. The Sunday high, which is at 301, could be a target. You know, it could be a target. This strong move higher, as I said, could be the manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution higher. So this one could be the distribution phase starting to take place here. We have some nice targets. Market is pretty much bullish. Seasonal tendencies are bullish in March. So, you know, ES also, I think, made the same move. I'm not trading ES, only rarely, but I think if you look at the 5-minute, yeah, pretty much this can be the low and it can continue higher. NQ, same. Look at the, I mean, it really looks like they swept the low and they just want to bring it back to 301. That's what I think of NQ at this moment, but I have no entry. Hey, Nasdaq Gold. Yeah, BULENOX doesn't have trade await. That's true, guys. BULENOX does not have trade await. Actually, I want to raise a question to them on their support, because they only have rhythmic connections, so you can trade NinjaTrader and Quantower. But I know many of you guys like trade await, so that's true. That's true. Many of you guys like trade await, but I don't know why they don't have it. But I might send them a message that how about using trade await? Maybe they have something cooking. I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. Market structure shift could be happening. No, not yet. This is not a shift. Okay. Let's see. For example, if they would shift down again, we're back to the midnight level. So if they would shift down again, we can continue lower to the 60s, 166, but buy side at 301, it still looks juicy. It still looks very juicy. All right. Okay, now look at this. We have another possible displacement here. Let's see what it's going to do. This one is quite interesting. Wow. Now this is almost like a classic entry, but the thing is, I think they're repricing it, right? Are they repricing it? Yeah. Now I don't really like this candle. Only a tiny little fair value gap. Okay, no fair value gap anymore. Well, maybe one tick. 46. 2 points. What's the high of this candle? The high is 46.25. The low of this candle is 48. So that's about 1 point of a fair value gap here. I'm not really favoring this trade, so yeah, there you go. It still has 10 seconds. It repriced it completely. So for me, it's not a valid entry, which is good. But a juicy, not a trading setup. That's true. That's actually true. That's true. That's true. So the ghosts, you know, the ghosts in the machine, the market makers, Jesus Christ with his father, or the UFOs, maybe aliens, you know, the guys from another dimension, I think. I don't know. UFO. So let's. So who are they? Ghosts, aliens, Michael Huddleston, market makers. I'm not sure. The DC universe, Marvel, Gordon Gekko. You know, all those guys could be moving the market. I'm not sure, but you know. I want to. I just drink my coffee. That's all I do. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I forgot those guys that from that old television series, Sliders. You know, they're jumping all around. Oh yeah, and Jean-Claude Van Damme from Time Cop, before he threw out the guy on the window. You know, they could be also moving the markets. Mushroom coffee. Yeah. Yeah. You know, so they are moving the markets, and one of these guys could be Methodical Man too. I know he has connections, so. It's still going up there. Jerry Phoenix too. That's true. That's true. Yeah. And we forgot one more. Jason Voorhees. I know he likes to slice up people, but nowadays he's pretty much into the markets, so he could be moving it. All right. It's still pushing to the 300s. What is going on? By the way, guys, if you like the stream, I know many of you may not. Please push the like button and subscribe. There's a giveaway also. Check out that video. It's in the pinned message. 50K starter account giveaway on Thursday. Winner. There's going to be one winner for now, but there's going to be another giveaway. Just stay tuned. The winner is going to be announced on Twitter, and the code is going to come from My Funded Futures. Check out the video. Look at that. It's going for the 301. What a move here. They're pushing it. So this was really a manipulation on Monday. All right, market structure shift, by the way. Well, not a clean shift, but bullish market structure shift. Visual order, bring it to the front. If you guys are super aggressive, you can actually enter on this one. I might try it. You know, I might give it a chance. This fair value gap. Look at that. It's going for the 300s again. How about this? Wow. Low of this candle is 61. I'm gonna put a buy limit order at 61 just for now. Buy limit order at 61. Stop loss is at, I don't even know where. Stop level 35.50. I just got filled. 31. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna. Yeah. So I'm in the trade. Maybe I should have. My stop loss is at 35.50. Take profit. Well, I'm just gonna go for the 301.50. It's not gonna be a 2-to-1 risk to reward. 301.50. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. Come on. This is the trade. What's going on? So you guys can see it. Okay, so this is the trade I'm in. It's only one contract. Yeah. Let's see if they want to bring it up to the Sunday high. Yeah. It's only a micro. So not a big deal. Not a big deal, guys. It's Nasdaq. It's micro Nasdaq. Actually, it's the June contract. I entered on the June contract here. How many trading days for BULENOX to pass? 5. I mean, the minimum trading days is 5. Larry. 5 minimum trading days. So, but you can. There's no consistency rule, so you can do it in one day as well. You just have to push the button, for example, with 1 micro at the rest of the days. So yeah. Is the 1 hour going to flip? NQ right now is, yeah, but that's the you know, that's the March contract. Trade Oracle, hey there. Even if we're on the March contract, I'm still looking for the Sunday high. On the March contract, it's at 55. On the June contract, it's at 301. I'm looking for the Sunday high here, because if this was a manipulation, they should be distributing higher. I had an entry here. I have a swing low for stop. So they pretty much swept everything day. We talked about who are they. And I just want to see this go higher. And that's it. So this is my trade. I'm only in with 1 micros here. A little bit aggressive entry, I know. Let me put a... do I have a rectangle here? Yeah, I do have. So there was a fair value gap here that I liked. With a shift in market structure too. So was part of the reasons why I took it. Silly question. Does your balance from the evaluation roll over to the master account? No, it's not. It's not, of course. Unfortunately. I like that. I like that, Robert. That would be awesome. But it's not. You're starting out from scratch. Funny how a lot of us look at trading 1 micro as a bad thing when a lot of us come from making minimum wage per hour. Gotta remember the power of even day trading 1 or 2 micros. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, NS, scalp god, definitely. I agree. I do have to remind myself all the time as well that I don't want to go back to work for minimum wage. I try to put everything here, so I'm trying to protect my accounts as much as I can, although I do make mistakes almost every week, unfortunately. I'm fighting my demons. I'm fighting my gambling addictions. I'm fighting against overtrading, emotional stuff, you know. Strategy is one thing. You guys know that. Everybody says the same. You know, the mindset is going to make the difference. That's all. I have basically 2 models that I use, and you know, risk management. We need to touch your stop, then we go up. It actually rhymes. Yeah. We're stuck here. I don't like that. Single. If you are asking if I'm single, I'm not single. I have a fiance. And thank God she supports me for doing this. She supports me, and that really means a lot. She really supports me in this. So yeah. Yeah. When I have a bad day, she always asks, "Did you risk too much again? Did you lose your mind again? Promise me you're not going to risk too much today." And I say, "All right, I promise you." And then, you know, and then things start to happen a different way. Yeah, that's what's happening. That's how it goes. Oh, guys. What the hell is happening? We're stuck here. What's going on with price right now? Somebody turned off the Nasdaq. Somebody just basically turned off the Nasdaq. What is going on? She is as guilty as you are. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah, she's guilty for supporting me in the endeavor. Yeah. She's a teacher, by the way. She's teaching 7, 8, and 9-year-old kids. So, you know, from grade 1 to grade 4s. Oh no, what is going on again? This is a shift again. What is going on with the markets? It's shifting down again. I don't like this. Thank God I'm only in with 1 micros. So if this one is going to be a shift, let me check it again. I'm going to have definitely contradicting signals here, because my entry model is going to play out real soon. Then I might have to close this position. There you go, we're shifting. We are shifting. Let me check this real quick. Oh yeah. Don't like that. What's the risk if I go short on this swing? 2 micros, right? That would be 2 micros. I don't know what the hell price is doing here. It's definitely interesting. I might have to... Okay, I'm deleting this trade. All right, I'm gonna sell now. And because this is lining up with my entry. So sell position, only 2 micros. And let me measure the distance. Small loss with 1 micro, I don't care. This is my perfect entry. So I'm just following my entry model right here. My entry model says that I should take this and go down to, what's my entry? My entry is 18,248. 248. Is that a round number? Yeah, 248. Stop loss is 72.25. 72.25. 72.25. So I modified it. Okay, and my final TP. Oops. My final TP should be 201.75. 201.75. There. So this is my position now, and this entry is actually lining up with my entry model. This is my entry. This is my, I mean, of course I can lose it, like, absolutely, but this is my entry model right here. So I'm not sure how is it gonna play out exactly, but that's it. I'm hoping that it will be okay. 1 to 2 risk to reward. It's fueling up for liftoff. Do you think so? Try tick charts. I'm fine. I'm fine with this for now. Want to trade, but thank you. I'm shorting this. Bitcoin woke you up. Everybody is pretty much onto Bitcoin this morning, right? You know what, guys? Since I was down, I sold 1 contract. I sold 1 contract. I'm down to 1 micro. I needed to make back some of my losses, guys. I had to, because I was having 3 stop losses this morning, and this is just risk management. I was having a losing series, so I needed to. And what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to modify it to 48. There you go. I'm at break even now. I'm at break even. Let's hope it will dump. I really want to have some profits for this morning because I was down 3 stop losses in a row. And I want to see this go. If they are dumping it. You know what? F this. I closed it. There you go. I closed it out. I closed it out, guys. Close the trade. Sue me. I'm flat, guys. I was in a short. Now I'm flat. Sue me. I closed it early manually because I was in a losing. So if you look at, I was having 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually, this was not 1, 2, 3. There was one more before the stream. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stop losses almost. This was not 1, 2, 3 stop losses in a row. This was basically almost break even, small winner, loss. So I was having 4 losses this morning. Oh wow, Black Beauty Machine, you're 35K on Bitcoin. Wow, what is going on with Bitcoin, man? I don't know what's happening. Your first long was good. Stop loss was not adjusted right, and a bit early. Short side is limited. I can be wrong. I can see upside more. I do like the Sunday high. So guys, before anybody sues me that I'm lying here, I just want to update you guys on the accounts after being stopped out for 3 times in a row this morning. So this is a BULENOX account. I'm up a little bit over $100. This is the second BULENOX account. I'm up, I don't even know, a little bit more than $100. The other BULENOX account, I'm still up $100 here as well. I was copy trading this. The My Funded Futures account is $100 up. The Apex account is also $100 up. The other Apex account is also more than $100 up. So I was down $200, 200 and something dollars per account, and I was an idiot. And with 1 and 2 micros, I managed to recoup those losses. So I like to trade aggressively. This morning wasn't really a good morning for me. So, but I still managed to dig myself out of the hole for now. If you guys still favoring the shorts, you can enter here on this fair value gap. It's just repricing this fair value gap here, this one. So if you guys are still favoring the downside to go to 166, you can do so. And I think, I don't know. The only thing that concerns me is that buy side right up there is still the Sunday high. So that's pretty much close. This short setup on my entry model is still valid, guys. This is still a valid entry setup. If anyone wants to risk it, it is still valid, but be very, very careful, right? Go long, Tom, go long. 100 up potential, really? Hold on. Oh, Greg, sorry, I didn't see you there. Good morning, Greg. You're looking for sales. Well, this one is still valid, but I don't like this sharp move. This is very steep and sharp up there. And we have a buy side at 301, which is the Sunday high. So be careful. If you still want to enter into this short, I'm out. I closed it manually down there. If you still want to enter, you can hold this one out. But I was in a drawdown this morning, so I don't really want to hold it out again after closing it in profit down there. So in my entry book, in my entry model, it is still valid short. But the problem is the Sunday high here after market open. And also we have this here from Friday. This is kind of like an order block area. And I feel like there is a draw on liquidity at 301. So be careful. I'm out of this trade. Actually, I'm going to put this here like I closed it manually right there. I closed out that trade manually. You guys saw that. Do I have any working orders? What is that? Working orders. I have no orders. Okay, that's great. So careful, careful, guys. We will sweep. Yeah, FX entropy has a good point, by the way. We can definitely sweep Asia highs, and Sunday high is technically in the crosshairs, guy. Is 301. It's you're long 982. What? Oh yeah, because you're big. Okay, because you're on the March contract. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. So if someone is on the March contract, I tell you guys that 18,055 is the Sunday high if you are on the March contract still. It can go. It can go, guys. Rolled coin. I have no idea about rolled coin. What is that? What is that, Francis? That's something new. I never heard about. I know they're preparing the central bank digital currencies. So I know that everybody's making their own digital currency. Bullish SMT, yeah. Yeah, bullish SMT. There you go. ES made a new low. NQ didn't make a new low, which means the weaker market, in this case NQ, can go bullish. I'm not trading the SMT, but I do acknowledge that it has some momentum. So everything looks bullish. I would say I'm a little bit glad that I closed out this trade. But it looks bullish. Yeah. What do you think about? Yeah, bullish. Okay. Don't get me wrong. I'm happy for you and everybody who makes money on BTC. What I meant is not for me, but congratulations. Yeah, I mean, if you made money on Bitcoin, well, then it's awesome, man. It's super great. I'm not saying either that if you're, I mean, if any one of you guys are making money on Bitcoin, huge applause. And by the way, if anyone is new on the stream, please do help out the stream by pushing the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's also a giveaway going on. Check it out. It's in the pinned messages. And today, at this time of the stream, I can say that the cheapest upfront cost for challenge accounts or evaluation accounts with futures is at BULENOX. Use my code and link to register. But the true cost of funding is the best deal goes on with my funded futures. What the hell is going on? Look at this spike. Oh my god. What the hell is going on? It's definitely gonna go for that Sunday high. No retracements at all. I mean, market structure shift. Did it happen? Technically, yes. If I zoom it out, this one was a shift here. So if some of you guys want to play aggressive, you can go for the high here at 301. Wow, this was an aggressive move. Let me measure this one. So if I would put this here, I'm gonna go like this. Wow, this can be a target. Now I definitely feel like we're going for the 301, guys. FX Entropy was right. He called it out. He definitely called it out. So if somebody's on the March contract, you're good to go to 18,055. This one can go straight up, guys. I'm actually a little bit eager to jump in with one contract. Should I put it here? Here? One micro. I might jump in with one micro here. But it might not gonna take me in. If it's not taking me in the trade, it's fine. I'm happy with it. But guys, this is... So I have a limit order at 62 on the June contract. 301 is the final target. If it's gonna wick down and fill me in the trade, I'm gonna go in with one micro. Come on. Just one micro, that's all I need. No. 262, maybe it's a little bit aggressive. Let me see. The low of this candle on the minis is 60.50. So maybe the 62 is a little bit aggressive. I can go down to 61. Should I go down? Okay, I'm gonna modify it to 61.50 just because of commissions and everything. Have more profit. It's, you know, it's greed. I'm greedy. Because if it wants to dip lower, it should reprice this small fair value gap down here. What did I just do? Oh yeah. So this fair value gap here should be repricing it. Actually, I'm gonna put it all the way up there, but if it's not taking me in, then it's fine. Then we're going for the 301.75. Let me put a line there. 301.75. Left ray. So that would be the final target on the June contract. All right, what else do we have? Oh no, it's not taking me into the trade, it seems like. It's going without me. Upside, first TP is 88. The second TP is 98. You're not in a trade. Well, look at that. It's going. I think I'm going to delete my limit order. It's going without me, but 301 should be taken out. It's only 20 points, Sunday high. If you are very aggressive, maybe with the 1-to-1 risk to reward, you can take it. How about if I jump in with one micro? I deleted my pending order. How about if I jump in with one micro market entry here? What about that? Should I do that? FX Entropy, what do you think? Should I jump in with one micro? It's still good for a 1-to-1. So if I put my stop somewhere down there, it still should be okay. Stops under 0.15, yeah. But kind of risky now. Yeah, it's a little bit high now. If it would go down to this area, I might jump in with a market entry. But the problem is that I think it's just going to spike through the 301 level now. It's risky. So if you enter here, it's definitely risky. It's definitely risky to enter here. But I feel like there's an 80% chance that we're going to take out the 301 in London session. Or, yeah, in the London, until the New York kill zone is what I meant to say. So the 301 should be taken out. So let's just wait. Why you have changed yet the contract role? I don't know why. We have a report from the CME website that there was much more significant. What the volume was much more significant on Friday, as you can see. So the June contract is definitely have lower volume. That this is the Friday report, but it started to shift, as you can see, changing. Everything is shifting, but we don't know. I still think that the March contract has more volume on Monday. This is Friday data, so but I still think we should be having more volume on the March contract. Look at this. We're going, guys. 301. I feel a little bit of FOMO, but I'm also grateful that I dug myself out of the hole. We're gonna be going through that level. 301, 301. Have a very small fair value gap here. Tiny one. I'm zooming everything out like crazy. Small fair value gap here. There. Not sure if it's gonna retrace to that level. It's just gonna go. So the manipulation phase was definitely this. And if this one is going to be the distribution phase, then we should be going even higher. Not just taking out this level, but even higher. Man, oh man. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry for yawning here. Also, if somebody is new at TOPSTEP, you can get a 20% discount, even up to 30%. So check it out. Register through my link and you will get it. So I don't know. No, I'm not. I don't think I want to go into that trade there. 3 drives pattern. So this is an aggressive entry. If you guys want to go aggressive, look at that. I was a chicken. I still am. Let's check the 5-minute here on TradingView just a second. Okay, it's repricing this. This is a bullish breaker, guys. Well, right? Is it? Is this a bullish breaker? Seems like it. Should I take an aggressive entry here? An aggressive market entry? I'm actually very happy that I'm out of the drawdown, so I don't think I should enter here. But it looks real good. It really looks good, to be honest. Okay, I missed my entry. No trade. It goes. I was actually very happy that I got out from that hole, so yeah, I missed it. No, I'm actually, I should consider that I was in a drawdown, more than $200 drawdown per account. So now I'm copy trading like 6 accounts. So I was like almost $1,300 drawdown, and now I'm out of the hole and in profit. So I'm not sure I want to give back those profits. So FX entropy is right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Well, if any one of you guys are aggressive, you can buy and go for the 301, but manage your risk. At least with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I think the range should be okay. But since I had 3 stop losses this morning and I'm back to profit, I'm just feeling a little bit let's just say confused. So I don't want to give back to the market. So, but if anybody of you guys are aggressive, if I would have no trades on, absolutely nothing, no reason, I mean, this would be my first entry. I might enter too long to be aggressive on a Monday morning, but only if I see a 1-to-1 range. So for example, let me show you. If you would like to enter now, there's your TP, 1-to-1. You can have a stop loss all the way down to 258-ish area, especially now. Just pulling it now. So the risk to reward is okay, because if it starts to go down, shift below these lows, then it's highly likely that it can go further down. So the risk to reward is good. If you're aggressive, go for it. But I'm not entering. I'm not entering. I'm scalping with 10 contracts. 10 minis? Wow, dude. Well, if you're a scalper, by the way, this might be also a good entry. If you're scalping. So this might be a good area for you to enter. Again, I believe on the June contract, the 301 level should be taken. If you're on the March contract, that would be the 55 level, the 18,055. Hey, thank you, Zoltan. Köszönöm szépen. See you next time. Thank you for dropping in. So yeah, be careful. Be careful, everyone. That's all I can say. Last week I made 34k scalping NQ. Dude. Ravis, hey there. Do you keep a journal of how month by month gains? Yeah, I do. Where is my Notion? It's still on here. I do keep a journal. So for example, here's a sample of one of the groups. This is group 1. This is what I'm sharing with you guys. My overall target is to make $6,600, including the evaluation accounts, because these are evaluation accounts. So for example, and this is the completion of how I'm going with the overall goal. And as you can see, for example, I go down, I'm journaling my trades, I'm writing down my emotions, what happened, trade entries, you know. Sometimes I just keep it very short, but yes, I'm journaling down what I can. And for this month as well, as you can see, I'm journaling it. And yes, so I'm journaling. I am definitely journaling. Some people are not journaling. I'm not saying it's a bad thing if you're not journaling. For me, I need to see through what mistakes I'm making, and for me, it's helpful actually. If you don't want to journal, that's your choice, but for me, it's helpful. Yeah, P Trader, you're a big Zoltan. Have a good rest of the morning, boys. I'm out with basis. Nice, Zoltan. Great. See you next time. Thank you. Oh yeah, you already said thank you. All right. Yeah. So I keep journaling. Yeah. P trading, you're definitely, yeah, you're a big baller. 34K with scalping, you have the nerves. You have the guts, you have the balls, you have the nerves. That is awesome. I think I feel like 90% chance that we're gonna hit through the 301. Look at that. It's just consolidating, it's accumulating positions. It will burst through 301 or the 55 on the March contract. Should be going through. Now it's just accumulating positions, guys. It will go, who knows, but Sunday high should be taken out. We have some nice targets above there. So close. So close. But I'm not entering. I'm not giving back. I'm not giving back to the market for now. For the next couple of hours maybe. I don't want to give back profits. I want to keep this mood. I want to keep my mood in the positive side here. Look at it. Wow. Is it shifting down again? What the hell is going on? What is going on? How many time call margin? How many accounts did I blow? Maybe that's what Magdi is asking. Well, I've blown a lot. For example, there's a video I put on in January where I explain that I pulled out $4,200 from TOPSTEP, and I'm still not technically at break even with that one. So if you're asking me how much evaluation or combine accounts I've blown, probably last year, probably, since I'm trading futures, probably, hold on, at least 3 or 4 dozen accounts, something like that. Funded accounts with futures prop firm, I've blown like at least 6 or 8, at least 6 or 8 funded accounts, maybe. Hold on, I blown 2 funded with Apex, 4 funded with TOPSTEP, so that's 6. I had more. I think around 8 funded accounts I blown last year. But I still have 2 funded accounts with TOPSTEP, so yeah, I blown a lot of those. Evaluation accounts, activation fees, you know. Yeah. What is the liquidity level? 55 on the March contract and 301, I think, on the June contract. So 10 points away here. Yeah. 10, 15 tick scalp usually with 7 contracts. Man. 10 tick scalps? That is wow. That is wow. You can go high when you want. Yeah. Now it's 10 because 100%. Yeah. I think it should take out the Sunday high. It's pretty close. It's pretty close, guys. Trading in the Zone is a great book, easy to understand, but very hard to believe it. Yeah, I think it's a great book. Each trade is unique. Every moment is unique in trading, guys. Every moment is unique. Even if you say, yeah, exactly. Even if you see the same pattern, every moment is unique. And after you put on the trade, and that's why I keep shifting to try to leave the trade untouched. Not that I did this morning because I closed it earlier. That was a good decision, actually. That's why I'm not entering here. But it's actually building up bad habits because I'm trying to aim to leave the trade as it is, even if it ends up with a stop loss or with a full take profit. So yeah, that's something I have to learn as well. Would love to see your model setups. Oh yeah. Viox, hey there. Air Trader, hello. Welcome everyone. Guys, don't forget we have a giveaway going on. So check out the pinned message, short video from me. Details are there, but basically you have to fill out a form and just have to fill out a form and you're on track. Also, if you don't have an account with My Funded Futures, please use my link and open one. There you go. Sunday high has been taken. So there you go. Sunday high has been taken. So from this moment on, who knows what the hell they want to do, right? If we look at the 15-minute, 1 hour, well, the 5-minute has kind of a bearish order block level, so it can go to 309. The 15-minute chart, next liquidity level should be 364 if it starts to shoot up like crazy, but Sunday high is taken. Now, if they want to shift it again to the downside, I want to see the 276 level to be broken. So let's wait. Plus 4K. There you go, P-trading, sorry. Congratulations. How many eval accounts I blown? I blown like at least 40 or 50 bare minimum. From TOPSTEP, I've blown like at least 25 or 30 at least. So yeah, and I've blown like at least 4 funded accounts with TOPSTEP, 2 funded accounts with Apex. So yeah, I've blown quite a lot. As I said last year, started to be the turning point. Hopefully the journey continues in a positive way this year. That's why I'm copy trading with micros. I'm taking small steps, but that's it. Tom, you want to learn how to enter an M-minute effortlessly? Then please study the videos on YouTube learning Heiken Ashi. Oh yeah, you were talking about Heiken Ashi. Chat trades, yeah. Honestly, I don't really want to strategy hop or anything else. I'm quite comfortable with my model. The mistakes I make, because I do make mistakes every day, of course, as you guys can see it. The mistakes are coming from the psychological, the mental approach or errors. So I'm feeling comfortable with my entry model. I believe that the Heiken Ashi candles are okay, but I'm okay. At the end of the day, it's basically, it's a mind game. It's risk management. So I guess I can have a lot of strategies, candles, whatever, to filter out trades. But when it comes to numbers and risk management, that's where the real decision have to be made, I think. But I'm gonna check out the Chad trades. I'm gonna look at them just for fun. I went high. Nice. No graffiti on my chart. Keep it simple. Yeah. Yeah, many of you guys, sometimes I don't even have anything on the charts. I'm trying to use the moving average and the RSI kind of a, you know, to help me to make the decision of where price is trending to, or what can I expect from price. But yeah. Hint, if you combine Larry Williams and ICT, then you know it. Honestly, I didn't really look into Larry Williams since I'm trading. I heard a lot about him. I really dig deeper into the ICT concepts, which are, I also realized that those concepts are basically since decades around. So nothing special new in the ICT concepts. I would agree that ICT is a great teacher, great lecture, especially about the mindset. But these concepts are to be found in older models as well. So I think, without any disrespect, because I do think that he has a great knowledge, but I think the ICT concepts are basically a repackaged stuff of the old concepts. That's it. The fair value gaps, you know, the breaker, the order blocks, these are rebranded names for the stuff that already existed. No disrespect again, because I learned it his way. I learned from ICT's lectures and teachings, but then I found out that these stuff were existing. It's a hint. I'm gonna look into Larry Williams. I'm curious. Strategy hopping is a big deal. We humans want certainty and desperately want that security. Certainty is one of our human. Yeah. But you know, if you're strategy hopping, you have to start all over, backtesting, collecting data, a lot of backtesting, a lot of data collection, and again, you start over and over. I was backtesting the whole year. I mean, last year I was, I mean, it was really, really crazy how I went on with the concepts, with the model that I tried to go with, and a lot of data collection. So when somebody shows me an entry with a specific candle or indicator, it's cool. I know this, it's great, but I need, before I jump in, it's not enough for me that I have 2 or 3 winning trades. I need to see at least 6 months or 1 year. I need to backtest it. I need to use software again. I need to journal the backtest. I need to forward test it for 2 months at least. Very important. I need to forward test it in live market conditions, at least on a cheap evaluation account or something. I need to feel how that system provides for 2 months at least, after I backtested it for the past 1 year. So a lot of data collection must be provided. And I have to wipe out the previous strategies from my brain, because it's gonna confuse me and you know, mess up my whole thinking process. So I do have to decide which strategy to go with. And so in my opinion, strategy hopping can mess up the whole thinking process. You know, I might be wrong. Every time I blow an account is when I didn't follow my plan. Exactly. It always happens the same way. Trading N1 and low time frames in general is not that bad. Having supreme risk management, also supreme edge. Yeah. And let's make it easy to enter and exit M1 cash. Well, I know what you mean, because Heiken Ashi candles can absolutely help with the trend, but I think there is some more to it. Folks who never take the actual time to learn Heiken Ashi candles will never scalp NQ. I'm not saying it's not working. I have to clarify that. I'm just saying it needs a much deeper understanding and dive deeper into those candles. Tom, your personality more suitable for scalping or swing trading? It's so important to know. Good question. What do we prefer swing trading? Because now everything just, everything blends together. So everything blends together. So what is swing trading or day trading or intraday trading? Swing trading, in my understanding, is when you hold the trade for not just a few hours, but for even throughout a day or 2 days. Swing trading. My maximum length of the trades, even when I was trading Forex, I was holding it for maximum for a few hours, like 3 or 4 hours. That makes it kind of a intraday day trading. Scalping, I'd like to think of scalping is good for me, but I'm a terrible scalper, because if I'm on a losing streak, I can mess up my process and I go into revenge trading and then I lose the account. I did that many times before with the valuation accounts. I go into scalping for a few points and I have a bad habit of revenge trading and then I blow the account. So swing trading or scalper, somewhere in the middle, I think. Day trading, intraday trading. So I don't know. Very hard to say. Very hard to say. You're worried about the candles not showing the actual price, I bet. Doesn't matter what these candles take the average, it's fine. The actual price value is always still on the fair. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean, but yeah. Definitely, I get it. 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 Again, I'm not saying it's Heiken Eshi is not something to look into, but it requires a, a completely different approach, at least from my end. Look at that. Now we are, can we call this a shift? Actually, the kill zone is over, but oh, Ravis, thanks to you guys. I already made the goal. I needed 1,000 subscribers, and thanks to you guys, I'm very, very grateful. I made it through the 1,000 subscriber threshold. So on my first day on the revenue share, I made $2. Yesterday, for example, on the weekend, I made 60 cents on one day. But hey, it's good, because at the end of the month, if it provides some extra to pay out some power bills, I'm extremely happy about that. So yes, I made it. I made it, and it's thanks to you guys. Huge applause, and thank you so much for subscribing. I always said, if I make a little bit extra to help out with the bills with YouTube, I am super happy about that. And now it's just starting to happen. Well, the yacht, well, I don't know. I guess I have to have a much bigger following than Patrick Wieland, I think. Yeah. I think the wife is going to, if the YouTube starts to blow up, maybe the wife will see me in a much, you know, maybe she will put me on the pedestal like, oh, look at that, he's really making that big money now. McLovin, thank you. So I really appreciate all your support, guys. And still, if you want to help me out, or you can help me out, and if you're on the way to buy an evaluation account with some of these prop firms, use my links. I have discounts all over the place. BULENOX has still the best one today, but true cost of funding is the best for my funded futures, end of day trailing, drawdown. Apex is super awesome as well. I'm going to do a video, by the way, it's already in the works. I'm going to do a video where I'm going to talk about intraday trailing, stop loss, and why you should not care. That's what the video is going to be about. It's going to be about risk management and intraday trailing stop, and how it affects on a positive way your risk management. So I have absolutely no issue with intraday trailing stop. Absolutely no problem with intraday trailing, because I trade small. So not a big deal, and it's going to lock in at for some prop firms $2,100, with some others $2,600, $2,500. So it's going to lock in anyways, so you can do that. Take a look at your M1 strategy with Heiken Ashi on TradingView. Look at all the entries with the Heiken Ashi candles, the flat bottoms and flat tops with single wick on side. The candles enter at close. I'm gonna look into that. For example, pair those entry bars with spiking volume with your RSI moving average bias for trend direction and proper risk management, putting your stop right under the M1 is a stick entry. Nascalp God, you know what, I'm definitely again, I'm always looking for information. I'm always learning something new. So yeah, I can do that anytime. So here's a Heiken Ashi with the same RSI and EMA that I was using. This was my short entry classic. It would have been a stop loss, by the way, but you know, for example, this here, this Heiken Ashi, if I would want to take the body of the candle on the Heiken Ashi, then I could say that entering here, let's take a ruler, entering, for example, on the body of the I don't even know what's it called on Heiken Ashi. This is not the close here. If I entered there, swing high there, this would have been a winner. This would have been a winner with the Heiken Ashi. So I'm not saying it's impossible. What else do we have? For example, here. Also, my entry model here. Heiken Ashi, body of the candle, next candle entering, stop loss here. Would have been, well, not a winner, almost a winner. Almost a winner, maybe. I don't know. Always aim for 1 to 2. But yeah, I get it. I can do a lot of playing around with these candles. I know that. There's a lot of stuff I can do with Heiken Ashi. Definitely. Hey Tom, why didn't you scout with 1 mini for 810? Believe it or not, P-Trading, I have a practice account, but it's only a practice account at TOPSTEP. I'm trying to scalp with 1 mini, right? But you know, I'm around the break even. I don't really have my strategy outline for scalping for so low targets, you know. Never enter on a doji Heiken Ashi that is indecision. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. Doji is always indecision. If I see a nice body closing higher or lower, that is something that indicates a move, I guess. But yeah. Oh my god, my back is hurting. I don't know why. Anyway, guys, based on the drawn liquidity, well, yeah, actually there's a good point. P-Trading, if if one knows basic market structure and draw on liquidity, all you have to do is just enter on your scalping model, right? Because the probabilities are going to be higher that price is going to move to that direction. So I get it. 2 scalps a day is all you need. By the way, P trading, and that is partially the answer. Who was asking me if I'm a scalper or not? Anyway, that would be something super ideal. I would really love to do like market opens, I enter to 2 scalp with 1 mini or whatever, make the amount of profit or percentage that I'm looking for, like okay, and I'm out. And I don't care about whatever happens after that. I don't care about analyzing the market any longer or whatever. I just want to be in and out in a few minutes, and that's it. I think that's what everybody is looking for. Quick money. Why? I mean, that would be ideal. But it's super hard. Sometime. With these candles, you just need to backtest visually. All to follow through there is after seeing reversals with the flat top. Yeah, bottom enter candles with the single wick on one side. Yeah, I guess so. Guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here. My back is hurting. I think I have to walk again. And it was a nice one. I managed to end up with some profits in the London session. I'm gonna be coming back in New York, so thank you so much for watching, and join me on the New York stream. Make sure to check out the giveaway video. You can enter if you want to, and check out the links. BULENOX is still cheap, but there's a lot of other discounts. Check out in the description down there below. Look at all the follow through, so many scalps. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely do that. Nascalp, you know. Thank you so much, Nascalp, by the way, for all the information, and everyone, P Trading, and everyone for being here. Push the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be here in New York session. So thanks again. See you guys in the New York session. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.